Today we're unboxing and reviewing the GlocalMe Numen Air, a device that promises to be the ultimate travel hack for digital nomads and frequent flyers. Is it worth it? Let's get started. Unboxing. Alright, let's get this open. Inside the box, at the top we've got the standard paperwork, a quick start guide, SIM ejector tool. Underneath, we get the Numen Air unit itself. First impressions? It's sleek. It has this gunmetal black finish that looks really premium, and it's surprisingly light. Let's talk about the size. It's about 151 millimeters tall, roughly the height of an iPhone, but a little thicker at about 14 millimeters. It weighs just 194 grams, so it's definitely pocketable. On the bottom, we have a USB-C port for charging. And get this, because it packs a massive 5,400 mAh battery. It can double as a power bank to charge your phone in a pinch. That's a great backup feature. Underneath, we get the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Interestingly, the cable is white, which is a bit of a contrast to the black device, but not a big deal. Let's power it up. Press the button and wait while turning on. We can see Wi-Fi icon middle of the screen. It supports the latest 5G networks, with download speeds theoretically up to 2.5 gigabits per second, though real-world speeds depend on the local infrastructure. It operates in over 140 countries and regions, utilizing over 200-plus mobile networks. It automatically selects the strongest available signal. You can check your data usage, battery life, signal strength, Wi-Fi name SSID, and password instantly without needing to pull out your phone and open an app. Provides up to 11 hours of continuous use on 5G networks and up to 15 hours on 4G. The Numen Air isn't just a hotspot, it's a premium travel accessory. It's fast, it's portable, and it just works. If you like this unboxing and review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.